Let me show you how to make the most incredibly fluffy meat pie using just your rice cooker. This method creates a golden, soft crust that's even better than oven bake. Start with 150 grams of flour, 120 grams of water, and 1.5 grams of yeast. Mix and let it rise for 30 minutes, just enough to get some air into the dough. Lightly oil your rice cooker pot and your spatula too. This prevents sticking and helps create that perfect crust. Press the dough into the pot, add your favorite meat filling, and fold it into a perfect package. A testing of flour helps everything hold its shape. Let it proof for another 15 minutes. Watch how it puffs up with potential. Hit the cook button and let the rice cooker work its magic. When the cycle finishes, spray the top with oil, flip it over, and press cook again for about 10 minutes. This double cooking method gives you that beautiful golden brown on both sides. What emerges is pure perfection. A pie so light and fluffy, it practically floats off the plate. The crust is tender yet substantial. The filling juicy and flavorful. This isn't just cooking, it's a revelation that your humble rice cooker can produce bakery quality recipes.